video script on the Caddo Indians. The name Caddo means true chiefs, and this tribe of Native American Indians were known by the DeSoto expedition for their fearsome fighting style because they fought them so vigorously. However, later Spaniards liked the Caddo because they were so civilized and advanced. The Caddo people, known historically as the Caddo, and their relatives are special because they lived in the same area for 3,000 years and maybe 4,000. The Caddo Indians lived near the Red River and Arkansas River in the southwest Arkansas and lived in the northeastern part of Texas. Also lived in southeast Oklahoma and also western part of Louisiana. Living here is usually made up of multiple grass huts. A couple of main materials in the huts were grass and wood. They were usually conical and could fit 3 families. They also had rectangular huts that were not as common. They ate corn, squash, beans, and other crops they grew. They caught fish and hunted buffalo and other game as part of their diet. The Caddo's form of transportation was diverse. They used dugout canoes from hollowed out logs. However, they mainly traveled on land by foot and used dogs to carry their belongings. To help in their daily life, they used many tools. They used bows, arrows, tomahawks, knives, and axes. Some Caddos also used long lances to hunt buffalo. They made beautiful pottery with turbans and baskets. Personal narrative of the Caddo Indian. My name is Aidan. I come from a Caddo tribe called Tula. I was in my village in the early November of 1541 when we encountered hundreds of Spaniards from DeSoto's expedition. They attacked us with guns. They entered our village and started attacking us by trying to steal our food. DeSoto's expedition did not carry their own food supply, other than the hogs that they were reluctant to eat. Instead, they would take corn from Indian villages they encountered. In just a few days, they could eat up a whole year's worth of supply of Indian tribes' food. We fought back so vigorously that they thought that we were the best fighting people they encountered on their expedition. The long lances we used to hunt buffalo were effective in fighting the Spaniards, and both sides had heavy losses. Later, DeSoto's expedition would fight other Caddo in southeastern Texas, and they also fought so well that the expedition gave up trying to find a land route to Mexico. Instead, they went east to travel by the Mississippi River.